mess.
It's okay. It's okay to open now. Go open.
Yeah. Rip it open. Hurry up about it too. Nope.
I love Converse.
Oh my goodness.
Now turn it around so we can see it.
Oh, that is so nice.
Let me see it.
Now you can wear your Converse with those.
Shoes. Oh yeah.
I like this. I like green.
That is a cool hip color green too.
I also like this. I can wear it with this.
Ooh, this is a dress.
That's a dress.
Oh, yeah. This is a dress.
No, that's a skirt.
I also like this.
That was my
That's all right,
Valentine's
Lily.
present, but it didn't fit, so we gave it to you.
Okay.
Of course it didn't fit. It's a
It's my
skirt.
first skirt ever. I don't know what that is.
Wow, they're all so pretty.
Leggings. Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Wow, you guys rock. Look how lucky.